Milwaukee, 1991. Two police officers knock on the door of a quiet apartment. A man answers. Calm, polite. Just a noise complaint, they thought. But then, that smell. Thick, metallic, rotting. The kind of smell that makes your stomach turn, but you don't know why. They step inside. The man says nothing, just points to the fridge. An officer opens it and freezes. Inside is a human head, eyes gone, skin pale, cold. And then it all unravels. Drawers filled with bones, photographs of dismembered bodies, a barrel in the corner filled with acid and flesh. This wasn't just a killer. This was Jeffrey Dahmer. He lured young men into his apartment, said he'd pay them for photos, then drugged them, killed them, and kept their bodies, not buried, displayed, posed, cooked. He drilled into their skulls while they were still alive, trying to create human zombies who could never leave him. But here's the twist. He looked completely normal. Shy, quiet, the kind of guy you'd never notice. He might have gone on forever, until one victim escaped, barefoot in handcuffs, running through the street. That one moment exposed 17 murders, years of horror, and one of the darkest minds the world has ever seen. Jeffrey Dahmer didn't just kill, he wanted to own his victims forever. He was sentenced to life in prison, but even that didn't last. On November 28, 1994, another inmate, Christopher Scarver, beat him to death with a metal bar in the prison bathroom. And just like that, the monster who terrorized Milwaukee was gone. But the nightmares he created, they still live on.